The Mongol Empire, renowned for its vast conquests and military prowess, once sought to extend its influence into the Indonesian archipelago. In 1293, the forces of Kublai Khan, the Mongol emperor of the Yuan dynasty, attempted to subdue Java. However, their campaign was met with resistance and cunning strategy, culminating in a decisive failure for the Mongols. Background: the conflict's origin. The conflict began as a diplomatic dispute. Kertanegara, the ruler of the Singasari kingdom in Java, had refused to pay tribute to the Mongols and insulted their envoys. This act enraged Kublai Khan, who dispatched a fleet of over 20,000 troops to punish the Javanese king and assert Mongol dominance in Southeast Asia. By the time the Mongols arrived, Kertanegara had been overthrown by Jayakatwang, a rival leader from Kadiri. This internal turmoil in Java set the stage for one of history's most intriguing episodes of diplomacy and warfare. Raden Wijaya, the mastermind. Raden Wijaya, Kertanegara's son-in-law and a key figure in Singasari, became the unlikely hero of Java's resistance. After Kertanegara's fall, Raden Wijaya sought refuge and later established a new settlement called Majapahit. Understanding the strength of the Mongols, he devised a clever plan to exploit their presence for his benefit. Wijaya initially pretended to ally with the Mongols, promising to help them defeat Jayakatwang. Together, they launched a joint assault, swiftly defeating Jayakatwang's forces. However, once this shared enemy was vanquished, Wijaya turned on the Mongols. The decisive ambush. After the victory, Wijaya invited the Mongols to his capital under the pretense of celebrating their alliance. Unbeknownst to the invaders, he had prepared an ambush. Wijaya's forces launched a surprise attack, catching the Mongols off guard. Weakened by tropical diseases, unfamiliar terrain, and logistical challenges, the Mongols were unable to mount an effective defense. They retreated hastily to their ships and departed Java, marking the end of their campaign. Legacy of the Mongol defeat. The Mongol retreat was a significant moment in Indonesian history. It demonstrated the strategic acumen and unity of the Javanese people in the face of a seemingly invincible empire. Following this victory, Raden Wijaya established the Majapahit Empire, which would grow into one of Southeast Asia's most powerful and influential kingdoms. The Mongol defeat in Java also highlighted the limitations of their empire, which, despite its vast reach, struggled to adapt to unfamiliar environments and local resistance. This episode serves as a testament to the resilience and resourcefulness of smaller states in resisting imperial domination. Conclusion: Indonesia's successful defense against the Mongols was not merely a military triumph, but also a story of strategic brilliance and the power of unity. Raden Wijaya's leadership and ingenuity laid the foundation for the rise of the Majapahit Empire, shaping the course of Indonesian history for centuries to come. This event remains a source of pride and inspiration, symbolizing the ability of a determined people to overcome even the mightiest adversaries.